Ask any pro what their go-to lookup formula is, and they'll all tell you the same thing: index match. It's more powerful than XLOOKUP, more flexible than VLOOKUP, and once it clicks, you'll never go back. In this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know to master index match as fast as possible, and by the end of this video, you'll be a pro. Let's get started. For example, here we have a summary table showing total sales for each of our sales rep by quarter, and we want to look up the total sales for the rep entered in cell I2 so we can quickly pull any rep's numbers. Instead of scanning through the table manually each time, we can use index match to set this up. Index match is actually two functions working together. Index returns a value from a specific position in an array, and match finds the position of a value within a range. When you combine them together, you get a lookup function that can find any value anywhere in your data. Match locates the position of the value, and index returns the value at that position. To use index match, first enter the index function and select the array that contains the value you want to return as the array argument. In this case, we want to return total sales, so I'm going to select the total sales column. Now we just need to tell index which row we want to return. Instead of hard-coding a row number, we can use the match function to find it for us. Just enter the match function, select the cell containing the rep name as the lookup value, because this is the value we're searching for, and then enter the sales rep column as the lookup array, since this is the column we're searching in. Lastly, enter 0 as the match type to search for an exact match. Close both functions with parentheses, and hit enter to instantly return Taylor Book's total sales. What makes index match so powerful is its ability to look up values across both rows and columns simultaneously. For example, here we have the same data table in the index match formula looking up total sales for the rep in cell I2, but now we want to add a quarter toggle that looks up the sales rep total sales for the quarter selected in I3. To do this, all we need to do is replace the array argument with all of the quarterly sales values, and then add a second match function to look up the column position of the quarter we want. Just enter match, select the quarter cell as the lookup value, select the quarter headers as the lookup array, and set the match type to 0. Hit enter, and we've officially created a two-way index match formula that automatically updates based on both the rep and the quarter selected. You just learned what most Excel users spend years trying to figure out. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips.